Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for new parents, the FANSIDI Baby Nail Trimmer Electric. Let me start by saying, if you're a new parent, you know the struggle of trimming those tiny, delicate nails. It can be nerve-wracking. But fear not, because FANSIDI has come to the rescue with their electric nail trimmer specifically designed for newborns. Now, let's get into why this is the best nail cutter for newborns available in the market. First off, safety is paramount when it comes to baby products, and FANSIDI nails it in this department. Their electric nail trimmer uses a gentle grinding motion instead of sharp blades, ensuring no cuts, nicks, or tears. Plus, with adjustable settings and cushioned grinding heads, you can tailor the experience to your baby's needs. Take a look at how easy it is to use. Simply select the appropriate grinding head based on your baby's age, switch it on, and gently file away those sharp edges. And with a whisper quiet motor and soft LED light, you can even do it while your little one is sleeping. But the benefits don't stop there. With FANSIDI's nail trimmer, you'll get smoother, softer nails for your baby without the hassle or stress. And for parents, it's a game changer too. No more worries about accidentally clipping their skin or struggling with traditional clippers. With rave reviews like that, it's no wonder why the FANSIDI Baby Nail Trimmer Electric is a must-have for every new parent out there. Well, folks, that wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy trimming!